Hello, I'm the independent blogger, this is Steve and this is our garden. As we prepare for winter, we're just going to do a few jobs around the garden, but as we're doing that, I just thought it'd be quite nice to show you some close-ups of the different areas and how they've developed over the time since we did our last video. It'd be good to see what you think of the video, so please give it a like and a thumbs up, and also if you want to make a comment, be free to do so at the bottom. Stalks just down here, but you can see that there. We were going to cut that back. I've just done a bit of research which says that we need to wait until it's flowered. It's still got a few flowers on there. It does look a bit limp in areas, but we'll just leave that. Okay, so here we have the Regencia, I think they're called. What we're going to do with these for the winter is just pull off the leaves and leave the green ones off at the moment. Then obviously I think they'll all die off and we'll go back to virtually to the soil on those. What we're going to do is go into the stream and the pond shortly, get as many leaves out as we can of there so that they don't block the pump up over the winter that pumps the water through the system. Hostas are still quite large and they're still going green. I don't want to really take any more leaves off those. I have taken leaves from around the base. All the ones have started to rot. There was a couple here and they have already gone, and I've taken all those out already. We have rhododendron just in the corner there. In the summer it does have quite big bright yellow flowers, and in the winter it's now the leaves have started, in the autumn the leaves have started to go that nice ready golden colour, so that's turned out quite nice. We weren't expecting that. This particular hydrangea grows on the new wood, so anything that sprouts up from here onwards, the flowers will grow on there next summer. What it suggests is to take down those flowers, just cut them down so that then you can start afresh for the new year. So the rose in the corner there, that went nice big white blooms on there, and that we're going to do most of the summer. Not long since lost the last one on that. So here we have the Acer. It was a nice ready colour all the way through from when it was planted in April. I wasn't expecting it to lose its leaves. I thought it would have kept those a bit naive possibly, but as you can see, that's all gone. So hopefully they'll come back in the spring again next year. Behind me here we've got the herb garden. A lot of the herbs we have planted are quite hardy herbs, so they should be okay to stay in there over the winter. We've got thyme, got 3 bunches of thyme, one behind me. Some rosemary in the corner there. Another star jasmine which has started to climb up the garage wall here. These chives, we've cut back the chives quite a lot over the year. We've had about 3 or 4 different crops of those. Sage. That sage went quite wild at some point, so we cut that back. Let's see how that comes out next year, we're not too sure. Pots down here. We've collected all the pots together for the winter, so if we do get any frost, that they can it won't damage them too much, and we've put them near a main wall building so that it should keep some of the frost off them there. Just behind me here we have our bird feeder. it's got quite a number of hooks on there, so we've been able to hang different things on to encourage different types of birds. What we've also done is put a number of bird houses around the garden. We've got one there on the fence, one behind me in the tree, and then over in the far corner we've got a couple there for different types of birds. Hopefully that will encourage them to nest in the springtime.